Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the Hizo application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the home screen, and in the left bar go to the appearance section, and you can find the third option, the language. Click that, and here you can find different languages, and actually if you want to use the Deutsch, click that and click to the Done button. Actually I use the English, but you can choose any different if you want. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.